the diameter of my hair now versus the way it was before. I've been styling my hair like this for years. Just kind of like I do the curling iron and it just kind of hangs like this. But I know that the like mob wife hair and the big sexy volumized curls are in right now. So I'm gonna be using Color Wow's Style on Steroids to give this that like sexy, big volumized look that I am going for. I also want to explain that this has no ingredients that will dull your color. I mean, obviously ignore my color right now because it's really growing out, but it won't dull your color. It doesn't make your hair stiff, sticky, brittle. All you have to do is just kind of lift it away. This way. And it's really buildable, so you can keep kind of adding. I can still run my fingers through it. It just still feels nice. It just gives it that sexier kind of bedhead look. Here it is, the final look. I feel like it's so much cooler. It's like beachier. Like could be my natural hair. Like I didn't like use a curling iron. It's just maybe I just slept in this and woke up like this. Here it is, Color Wow Style on Steroids. You gotta check it out.